Cook. This is the new setup. It begins to be really interesting. Otherwise, since 2 days there is a storm, hardcore storm. The wind has broken my solar panel, so I have to buy a new solar panel. No. Okay, this is the circuit now. The consumption on 4 volts, 0.044 amps, so it's about 44 milliamps on 4 volts. The output is almost nothing, just 1.5 volts on the almost resonance transformator. So I step up the voltage from the 4 volts with this SMPS to 12 volts exact, and like that the positive is coming at these 5 turns. Otherwise this is a symmetrical Joule-Tiff wound, symmetrical mag style. In the middle an extra coil, I am using that, almost mag style. So the positive is coming to this small coil, and after the coil goes to the circuit's positive input, it's resonating with the earth current 1, the first earth current, and I have to start the wall stuff by touching the collector. Then it starts to resonate. Now it is also resonating, and before I will touch the collector, it's really interesting. Look at the output voltage. I hope you can see it. So change the angle. By this angle I have no light, but it's okay, I mean. There we have a symmetrical 5 turns coil, you see. Again, some light. Can you see that? It's absolutely symmetrical. Those are 50 turns, otherwise 5, 50 and 5, and that is 25. So that's the weather since 2 days, and it's snowing, so my solar panel is broken because the storm. So look at this. When I okay, let's see it like that. Sorry. If I make a short circuit on that, oh fuck, sorry, magnet. There was this magnet. It's exactly the same size. I can put it here at the core. Between the core and the magnet, now the new magnet, there is a plastic, without the earth on the magnet. Oh, it's better without the earth. Better without the earth. But when let's see if I touch the symmetrical 5 turns, no more resonance. So don't touch that. Or yes. failure. It stops. Maybe there is a contact failure, I know, or no idea. But I show you a moment, just. This is my first, no, the second experiment on that circuit, maybe the third. And I just show you what if I short this symmetrical 5 turns. Look, now it is, wait, now it is shorted, and look. So I short one output of the transformator, I fully shorted, and on the middle coil, that 25 turns, plus the neodymium magnet, the voltage went up and the amperage gone down. And we haven't started the wall resonance now. What is working, that is the noise generator. Oh, it's fucking weather saver, Jesus. That noise generator on the base. You see the orange cable, orange cable going to the base directly. It's about 400 millivolts noise, and that is what consuming otherwise some energy. Okay, so again, did you see that when I fuck, sorry. Moment. Okay, stay there, please. Which one was that? This. Okay, then this too. No idea which one was that. Look, when I touch it, it's not anymore exact. So I don't know if maybe just by touching it is changing. No, it really has to be in a short, like it's now shorted. Now it is shorted. Now, no idea what is going on. Now it is shorted. You know, it's a corrosion oxide on my tool. So less consumption and more output, but it's still nothing. It's just really interesting. But when I put the condenser to that, it's how much is it? Moment. In nanofarad value, it's 10 nanofarad. Should use 20 nanofarad as before on the other coils. Originally, instead of those, I had have twice like that, so 20 nanofarad. You see, it's on. So if I touch the second, now it's on 1.6 volts. If I touch 10, 2.6, but more consummation. It's really interesting, because when I short that, let's check for the transistor, it's better contact. Sorry. Yeah, it's not in wide angle, sorry. My god. So I shorted it 3.45, but who knows the real value, because this is a high frequency and high voltage. It is fixed now, this neon lamp, and I don't know if where I have the other ones. I have some more, but when I touch the metal surfaces or the connections in the small SMPS or anywhere, even this separate metal plate, when I touch with the neon bulb, it begins to lighting, so it lights up. Real nice. There is everywhere high voltage and high frequency. I just should put my oscilloscope at that. So I would like to play it, and with that, so the 25 turns, it's only one direction, the diode system. It's only one direction. Just like what if I did this? Chris, maybe, I don't know how he's called. He's afraid to tell us his name. C'est la vie. And contacting us. It's not nice, but what to do? It's better than nothing. Just keep experimenting and find the resonance. The same stuff otherwise on the 50 turns when I touch. What if I short? Oh, well, wait, this is high voltage now. But what if I make short? Now, no more resonance. Oh. Otherwise, this is not a resonance, not in full resonance, because only the noise generator is working. I mean, it is activated. Without the noise generator, there is nothing output. So what if I? So that needs the second ground. Touch the collector with the second ground. Okay, I show it to you because I forget. Wait. Just touch it and don't explode, please. Sorry if you cannot see good, but wow. It's 1 amp, but not too much. Opa, sorry, you cannot see. It's 1 amp, but nothing improvement. Not improved. Almost nothing. Okay, it's double voltage, but more than double, but it's not good. What if I touch this metal plate here? Oh, that's just a metal plate. This is the collector of the transistor. If I touch this second 5 turns, resonance out. But if I touch the positive of the SMPS power supply output, again 1 amp. So this 1 amp is not sympathetic to me. Just place the second earth now, no idea, somewhere here, and so let's see if we shorting again, maybe with some other cable. I try to short the second. So you see, this coil is in series with the power supply positive and the input positive of the Joultif laser saber like Joultif, and that coil is the same but on the other side. and in the middle is the output with 25 turns and some magnets. So short it. No, come on. So, oh, out of resonance. Why? Please no. It was better before. Yeah, because I touch it. Sorry, I am earth grinding. Oh, fuck you. Sorry. But if I isolate it, nah, nah. Wait, maybe now. Okay. Then the amperage goes down a little bit. Amperage, that is no consumption. Basic. But it's more than double output voltage. So just play like this. Maybe I will try to make it resonating. See you, peace for all. Hey, LED. I have connected to the collector, the second earth ground. But if I disconnect the first one, oh, then nothing. So put it again there. 1 amp, it's a little bit high because that is 4 watts. But just for example, I put this LED to the second symmetrical 5 turns. Left is negative and the right is positive. Look at the output voltage and the consummation of the amperage. You see the output voltage is doubled, and with a few milliamps the consumption gone down. Not too much, but it's 5 milliamps less or 4, and double output voltage. So, but this is not 4 watt output, this is maybe half a watt. And turn around, the consummation gone up. So this is interesting. Same output voltage about, but amperage gone 4 milliamps in the other direction, so up. When 5 milliamps more, but when I turn it, then 5 milliamps less, and the same output voltage. So I mean, let's leave it here. Let's leave it here and continue it. So after some tuning and setting, looks like that. It's 1.5 nanofarad, and those are 30 nanofarads. It's parallel with the 5 turns. Sorry, I cannot see my finger. So 5 turns, parallel condenser. The symmetric 5 turns in the right direction, turned, LED turned in the right direction. Symmetrical 50 turns, almost tuned by 1.5 nanofarad, and the middle output, the middle coil, the 25 turns, and in the one direction diode, and of course the SMPS is the same, and yeah, this is the noise generator going to the base. It's a PMP. It's a PMP bipolar. It's much better than the NPN, and oh, the ground. It is measured on the power packet. Power pack 4 volts. Ground, please come. Oh. Moment. Here is one of the grounds. And we have to start it. Now it is started. Yeah, I have touched something and it is started. So 6.3 volts output with this shit on that. Still it's not turning on, but when it become more than 7 volts, then it turns on. So after a few more tuning, a little bit more tuning, when we get 7-8 volts, and maybe I will make one more SMPS like this, just a little bit smaller, but the same EC, same IC. It's an MC. It's an MC 33063. It works from 2 or 3 volts. I like to use these ICs. When I put something like this at the output, but I mean I wish to tune it more. Maybe a series condenser on the middle output coil, 25 turns in series, maybe 20 nano or like that, or 30, no idea, or 300 nanofarad in series. We will see it. So after some tuning, it is a little bit better, but still not work the charger. So and I didn't test the output because this is like nothing with load, I mean. So God save us all and give us peace for all the creations, innocent, peaceful life, peace for all.